This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Five Nights at Freddy's on your school computer. First, it is important to understand that school networks often have strict filters and usage policies in place. You will need to explore browser-based versions of the game, as these are sometimes easier to access than downloadable files. Begin by searching for unblocked game websites that might host a playable version of Five Nights at Freddy's. Many schools block direct access to gaming sites, so your first step is often to find browser-based versions. Try searching online for Five Nights at Freddy's unblocked to find sites that might host the game. Sometimes, a web proxy or a virtual private network, often called a VPN, can help bypass filters, but these are frequently blocked by school IT departments. Always check your school's acceptable use policy before attempting these methods. Another method involves using a portable version of the game. You can download these files onto a USB flash drive from a home computer. Make sure the game files are relatively small, perhaps under 100 megabytes, to ensure quick transfer and less suspicion. Once on the USB drive, you can plug it into a school computer and attempt to run the game directly from the drive, bypassing installation. Before attempting any of these methods, it is crucial to consider the potential consequences. Playing games on school computers often violates acceptable use policies, which could lead to disciplinary action from school administration. Furthermore, always exercise caution when downloading files from the internet. Ensure they are 100% safe and free of malware to protect both your data and the school systems. Play responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.